Hello, it's December 1st. Today, this package that came back today, and let's find out what's inside. Voila! The Time Meddler. The Doctor Who, the Time Meddler. This is a good story. Here we go. Here we go. Turn back. This BBC Video logo. There's the first Doctor, Doctor Who, the Time Meddler. DVD to entertain. Look on the back. It says here, story number 17. Come in.
Do you have AA batteries?
No, I don't have it.
You don't have any?
No. I'm sorry, that's my brother. Well, this is a good one. It's the Time Meddler. This is a good pictures. Vikings. Very, very unbelievable. Look on right there. Let's open it up. Wait, look on the back. DVD extras. Audio commentary by producer Valerie Lambert, Peter Pervez, Stephen Taylor. Story editor Donald Tosh, and designer Barry Newbury. And this is good. It says originally transmitted July 3rd to 24th, 1965. Let's open it up. Oh. Look at that, it's so funny. It's four of those response card. And here we go. This is the best. There's the disc of the Time Meddler. See? That's what happens. Well, Universe of Universe told me about it, so it's very cool. Well, 2008. Well, came out since 10 years ago. Well, it says approximately 100 minutes and 24 minutes of extras. Well, that's why Universe of Universe is right about it. It was a Time Meddler versus Rescue in the Romans DVD. So later I'm gonna get the Rescue in the Romans, so this is gonna be it. So this is Michael Steinmates, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. I'm sorry about my brother. Well, I'll see you next time for our Doctor Who of the Sunmakers DVD. Bye bye.